So in this haircut, we are going to do some short textured layers. So the very first thing I'm going to do is start my very first section at the center top of the head. You can see I've got a section going from the crown to the front of the forehead, and I'm combing that section straight up and basically establishing the length for the top. Now I've taken another section just to the right of it, which I'm combing to the previous section so that I can keep a consistent layering throughout the haircut. Again, going to take another section right there, comb that section to the previous section I just got done cutting so that I know that every layer is going to be consistent in length. Alright, so once I've completed cutting the top right side, I'll do the top left side. Once I'm done doing the top, we'll carry on to the sides. Alright, so now it is time to do the layering on the right side. You can see I'm taking a section right over the ear, and I'm just pulling that section straight out, and then I'm cutting that section. Now I've taken another section on the right side, over directing it to the previous section so that I can keep a consistency in my layering. Right there, I've completed the layering on the right side, so now it's time to carry the layering on the right side, but the back, meaning the hair behind the ear. The hair on the right side is going to be over the ear and forward. The hair on the right side that's in the back is going to be behind the ear to the center back. Once I've completed cutting the layers in the back on the right side, I will do the exact same thing on the left side. Alright, so now that I've completed cutting the layers on the right side, it is time to do the exact same thing on the left side. As you can see, I'm starting with a section right above the ear, establishing that very first layer, and then I will use that section as my guide for the rest of the layering on the left side. Once I've completed that all the way to the center back, then we can go ahead and dry the hair and dress it. Alright, so we've come to the end of the haircut. You can see the hair has now been dried. I've got some pomade into it. We've got the soft, wispy sides, textured throughout the top, throughout the back. We've got the layering going on, just exactly what we were going for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.